What are you guys doing on the ground? Come on, guys. We got to do this weekly update video. Come on. You guys already know. You guys can't be on the ground. All right? We got to do this video. You got to do this video. All right? Come on. We got to do this video. You guys already know we got to do this. Hold on. Come on. Put y'all right up here. Put y'all right up here real quick. Hold on. Yeah. Ooh, dang. It's bright. Hold on. Turn this boy down. Turn that boy down. There we go. All right. Listen. Week 3, not a lot has changed. Okay? Not really a lot has changed. I could tell that I'm getting closer to the ripple stage. I'm getting closer. You know, I really didn't want to make a week 3 update, but you guys have been saying, you guys have been like, hey, we want to see, you know, the weekly updates, and I want to make sure that, you know, if I'm not really getting progress, that, you know, I make sure I'm on the right track, basically, is what I'm trying to say. You guys have been wanting me to make this weekly update to make sure that you guys are on the right track. So if you guys aren't getting progress, you guys aren't getting discouraged, because I'm not getting progress either. But, you know, I kind of want to show you guys something different. Hold on. So, the reason why I say this is because usually, you know, you guys already know I did a 3 against the grain. Okay, a 3 against the grain is extremely short. And the only reason why I went that short is because, I mean, I was trying to get rid of my waves. And any other guard wasn't doing it. I did a 2 with the grain, and it wasn't going to do it. Okay, usually I tell you guys do a 2 with the grain. If you don't have waves, it's because it's a good length to start at. Okay, and if basically the reason why, all right, I have this in my hand. All right, this is a 1.5 guard wall guard. If you guys aren't barbers, that's fine. You know, basically it's a 1.5 guard. So 1.5 guard, and this right here is the 2 guard. Okay, this is what I tell you guys to get a start with. So basically, kind of want to show you guys where my length is right now with my hair. All right, my length and my hair is basically at a 1.5. Okay, because I can kind of feel my hair when I go with the grain of it. With the grain means with the pattern of your hair. So say if my pattern of my hair, you know, naturally went backwards, that would be with the grain if I went this way. But wavers, we brush our hair this way or this way. So whatever you brush your hair in and whatever your hair's trained to be in, that's what, you know, that's what with the grain is for you. Okay, so right here, this is with the grain. I can kind of I don't really even feel much hair being touched by my fingertips when I do this, which means that my hair is at exactly at a 1.5 length. So what does that mean? That means that basically I'm not gonna get much progress. That's basically what I'm saying. Okay, because if I do a 2, right, I don't feel any hair on my fingertips. That's how I know I'm not even at a 2 right now. So I won't get any ripples. Okay, I can kind of see like dents in my hair starting to form, but they're not ripples yet. They're not something that you can completely notice. Okay, maybe my eyes are just deceiving me because I really want to get, you know, my ripples, and I'm just like all of it, and I'm really hoping. But you know, I haven't actually. I ain't gonna lie. I was gonna say I haven't been slacking, but I actually have been slacking. Today is the only day I was actually really slacking. So. I mean, I haven't been slacking, but I have been slacking. I probably should have brushed more because today was the video, so I probably should have, you know, put that brush work in. But it's cool, okay? It's cool. You know, I'm not going to make this video too long. I'm still brushing the same way. If you guys are wondering how I've been brushing, for the new people that are seeing this video, go ahead and go watch the week 2 update. I'll show you guys how I brush my hair. And if you wait to the end of the video, I put it at the end of the video, so then you guys can just go ahead and click on it. It makes it easier for you guys. You don't guys have to go in my channel searching. So just wait. Okay, wait. Watch this video, and then go ahead and click on, you know, the little thing at the end. It's going to pop up for you guys. All you got to do is click it, and it'll start playing the video for you guys. Okay, that's when I show you guys how I'm brushing my 360 swirl as a beginner with no waves, anything like that, just to give you guys, you know, a visual as how you guys should be brushing your hair with without any waves, basically showing you guys how to, you know, brush. But yeah, it's tough, and I gotta keep that motivation going because I know I can get them boys back. It's just I gotta get to that curl length. And what I'm doing right now, like I'm saying, is I'm basically just training my hair still. Not much progress here. Look, I'll show you guys. Let me get my mirror. So like I said, not much progress. Like I said, not much progress being made. You know, I mean, there's not much for it to do. You guys might, I don't think you guys can see, but, you know, there's some ripples trying to form. But, not really, you know what I'm saying? Maybe it's just my eyes, like I said, deceiving me. Not much at all. Just the same old, same old. You know what I'm saying? Like, I honestly don't know, like, you gotta keep pushing. Gotta keep pushing. Gotta get to that curl length. Gotta get to that curl length. You know, it's tough. Alright, but like I said, it's tough right now. Okay, it's tough. I'm trying to push through it. Alright? I'm trying. But it's really when I'm not seeing the waves, you know, it's getting a little like, dang, bro, come on. You know, but like I said, guys, we're still in the stage of trying to get our hair to grow to its curling. Once it gets to our curling, we'll be perfectly fine. You guys will see the progress. But for the people that, you know, did this journey with me or just starting out, you know, just trying to basically, like I said, do the journey with me, don't get discouraged, guys. Look, if you don't see any progress, that's fine. Especially, you know, you guys might see progress faster than me if you guys did a 2 with the grain. Because you should have did a 2 with the grain, not a 3 against the grain, because that is extremely short. That's like a whole 1 with the grain. So, yeah, that's basically all I had to say, guys. Is I kind of just wanted to hop on, give a quick little update. Like I said, I'm really not trying to stay here forever and talk your ear off. By the way, products I'm using, curling hair is just really the only product I've been using. I've been using number curved brushes. The only reason why I use curved brushes is I will touch on that in another video. It's basically just surface area, you know. That video is going to be coming out soon, curved versus flat brushes. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, now the video's over. That's basically, I just had to tell you guys what I've been using. That's curling hair smoothie, a curved brush, nothing more. I just washed my hair yesterday. So definitely there was going to be barely no progress being shown. But if you like the video, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and like the video because you like the video because you guys get the point. And then go ahead and drop down in the comments below because I love reading you guys' comments. I see all the comments. I see all the comments down below. Anything you guys say, I try to reply to most of you guys. I leave a like, anything to let you guys know that I've seen your comment. Unless you say some dumb stuff. If you say some dumb stuff, I'm going to leave it there. You're not going to get a reply. So if you think that's going to catch my attention to make me go ahead and drop a comment or a reply to you, it's not. You're going to just be there and yeah, nothing's going to happen. You're not even going to know that I saw it. So, and go ahead and subscribe. You guys already know we drop the fire videos. Go ahead and hit the notification bell when you guys subscribe because you guys want to be notified. Like I said, you guys want to see the new and upcoming things that I got in store for you guys. I got some good video ideas. The quality is going to get better and better throughout time, and just stick with me, alright? But, alright, stay wavy.